హలో ఎవ్రీవన్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అబాకస్. సో ఈ అబాకస్ యొక్క స్ట్రక్చర్ గురించి ఈరోజు తెలుసుకుందాం మనం. అండ్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు స్టార్ట్ అబాకస్ క్లాసెస్ ఆన్లైన్. సో ఈ అబాకస్ యొక్క పార్ట్స్ ఫస్ట్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అబాకస్. దీంట్లో ఈ చుట్టూ ఉన్నదాన్ని ఫ్రేమ్ ఆఫ్ ది అబాకస్ అని అంటాం మనం. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఫ్రేమ్ ఆఫ్ ది అబాకస్. అండ్ ఈ మధ్యలో ఉన్న చూసారా, ఇది బ్లాక్ కలర్లో ఈ అడ్డంగా ఉంది హారిజెంటల్గా. దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ బీమ్ ఆర్ బార్. దీన్ని మనం వర్టికల్గా ఉన్నటువంటివి ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో దీస్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ రాడ్స్. ఇవన్నీ రాడ్స్. సో 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. This is a 17 rods abacus. So right, so this is the frame of the abacus and this is the beam or bar and these are rods. And another structure is there. These are beads. వీటిని మనము పూసలు, బీడ్స్ అని చెప్పేసి అని అంటాం. అండ్ వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ టూ టైప్ ఆఫ్ టాప్ బీడ్స్ అండ్ బాటమ్ బీడ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. సో టాప్ ఓన్లీ వీ కెన్ ఫైండ్ సింగిల్ bead and we can find 1 2 3 4 beads in the bottom on each rod. So right, using these beads we can do all the calculations, 4 types of calculations that as addition, subtractions, multiplications and divisions we can do on the abacus speedily. So if you learn these abacus classes level by level, you can be very speed with your mathematical calculations, right? So I will tell how it is possible. So right, these are the beads. So we have known about the structure of the abacus now. This is the frame of the abacus and this is the beam or bar and these are the rods and these are the beads. So right, so now we have to clear the abacus. This is called clearing the abacus. We have to hold the abacus with the proper hand and we have to hold the abacus with the right hand. We have to hold a pen or pencil and we have to hold the abacus with the left hand like this, right? So no bead is touching this beam or bar now. So the value of abacus is 0 now. So we will start the calculations from the center rod. So that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9th rod from the left and 9th rod from the right one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is the 9th rod. So this is the center rod. We have to start the calculations from here only. Now this is one bead is in touch with this abacus. Now the value of abacus is 1. Okay. If 2 beads are in touch with abacus, now the value of abacus is 2. If 3 beads are in touch with the beam or bar, and then the value of abacus is 3. Now 4 beads are in touch with the beam or bar. Now the value of abacus is 4. The value of the upper bead is called 5. So now upper bead is in touch with beam or bar. So the value of abacus is now 5. Right. So if we have to keep 6, we have to take 5 from the upper and 1 from the lower. So 5 plus 1 is in touch with this abacus. This is called 6. If 7, so write 2 beads from the lower and 5 from the upper bead. So these total, these value is 7. So 5 plus 2, 7 beads are in touch with this beam or bar. Right. Now 8 and this is 9. Right. So the 9 beads are in touch with beam or bar now. We cannot keep more than 9 on a single rod. So that is the main principle of this abacus. So the children will easily learn about the place value, that we cannot keep write a number more than 9 in one place. This is ones place and the left one is the tens place, hundreds place, thousands place and so on. So ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousand place. Right. So we have understood that we cannot keep more than 9 on one rod. If we have to keep 10, we will move on to the tens rod. This is the ones rod and this is tens rod. We have to keep one like this. So we are having 1 on the tens rod and 0 on the ones rod. So 1 and 0, that makes 10. So right, this is 11 and this is 12. This is 13 and this is 14. If I have to keep 15, we can keep like this: 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Right. This is 19. If we have to keep 20, then we will move like this. So 2 beads on tens rod are in touch with beamer bar, and we are having 0 at the 1's rod. So that is 20. This is 21, 22, 23, 24, and this is 29. So like this we can keep the numbers. So I am just keeping a number here. You have to tell what is this if you understood my class. So what is the value of abacus now? Just keep comment. Okay, right. And now I am keeping another number here, and you just keep commenting this question answer also. So what is the value now? How many beads are in touch with in 100's rod? This is 1's rod, 10's rod and 100's rod. So 8, 9 and 7. So write what is the value of this abacus now. You have to answer in the form of comments, right? So this is a structure, and we can do additions, subtractions, multiplications and divisions also. For example, I will try to do one simple problem, that is 1 plus 1. This is 1, and if plus 1 we have to add one more bead to the beamer bar. We have to move towards the bar. So now the value is 2. If 1 plus 3 we have to do, this is 1, we kept 1 on the abacus, and now we have to move 3 beads towards the bar. This is 3 beads. So now the value is 4. So one simple principle is, that is, moving towards the bar is addition and moving away from the bar is subtraction, right? Moving towards the bar is addition and moving away from the bar is subtraction. So we have to use the proper fingers. We have to use this thumb for addition. We have to use forefinger for moving upper beads, and thumb for addition, and forefinger for subtraction for the lower beads. So there are different principles are there. We will practice them one by one class. So all the abacus levels will not be learnt in overnight. So this will be taught throughout the 12 weeks. So for 12 weeks we will complete one level. There are 8 levels are there. So for 12 weeks we will complete one level. So right, for the details, and we will conduct the Zoom online classes, and you have to buy a abacus of 17 rods on your own, and we will supply the material in PDFs. You have to take the print out, and then we have to do exercises which we suggest you. So this is called as abacus, and I have abacus teaching experience previously. I have ran an institute also. So please feel free to ask your questions, right? So right, this is main abacus frame. So this is the abacus. Main principles are the main general principles, and I had done the brief introduction of this abacus. So moving towards the addition and moving away from the bar is subtraction. Suppose we have to add 5 plus 3. So this is 5 and 3, 1, 2, 3 beads we have. So now 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So in this way children will be easily able to understand the concept of the place values and addition and subtractions, all these. So right, so this is the introduction class, and if you like my class, please subscribe, press bell button, and I will keep uploading all the basics in future upcoming classes. If you want live classes on Zoom, please contact the number which is on the screen. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Jai Hind.